is set to begin at the Old Bailey today. The accused, represented by Mr. St. John Hutchinson KC and Mr. V.K. Krishna Menon, has also been charged with committing violent acts aimed at disrupting the peace of the nation. The trial of Crown versus Singh will be presided over by Mr. Justice Atkinson. Whilst prominent members of the local Indian community have condemned the vicious act, the court witnessed an outpouring of support by native Indians in favour of the accused.
Accused to take stand. Please take oath.
Your Lordship, he has requested to take oath on a book of his choice.
But what sort of book is it? Is it seditious?
No, it's Indian folklore, Your Lordship. A classical romance, Here Ranja. He has the right to take an oath on the book of his choice.
Proceed.
My lord, I would like to call on the case of the state against the accused, Mr. Udham Singh. The state contends that the accused is responsible for the criminal act of murder.
Proceed.
State your name for the record.
Shoot me.
State your name.
Proceeding is a waste of time. Just shoot me.
State your name!
I'm Mohammed Singh Azad.
State your real name.
Jai Asli Naam hai. This is my real name.
Accused, Udham Singh, do you plead guilty or not guilty? Accused, Udham Singh, do you plead guilty
I plead
or
not guilty. Not guilty. Dyer was guilty. You are guilty. Your policies are guilty.
I'll ask you one more time. Do you plead guilty?
I protested. आपका पूरा ब्रिटिश एम्पायर एक ट्रेडिंग कंपनी है जो एक इंपीरियलिस्टिक पावर बनकर हम पर राज कर रही है illegally and forcefully.
You have a clear admission of guilt, my lord. May I suggest we proceed with the sentencing?
The defence has not spoken, Your Lordship.
The murderer has spoken enough.
We demand a just trial as is laid down by the law of the
He
land.
has shot 3 people, former public servants, in front of hundreds of people. We have witnesses.
But Your Lordship...
Overruled. Have you ever been arrested before?
Objection, my lord. Irrelevant.
Overruled.
Have you been arrested before?
Yes.
Prosecuted in a criminal case?
Yes.
How many years have you been in prison?
I was in prison for 4 years, but not for a crime.
Why on earth would anyone be in prison if they had not committed a crime?
No crime. I was fighting. Fighting for freedom. Freedom is my birthright, and fighting for freedom is no crime.
There is a complaint against you by an Indian gentleman whose nose you broke in a bar, and yet you say you are a freedom fighter.
Yes! I was angry. ये वो इंडियन थे जिनको स्लेवरी में मजा आने लग गया.
This man is clearly prone to violence.
ऐसा कोई बंदा फिर मिल गया ना मैं फिर नाक तोड़ दूंगा उसकी.
Have you possessed a weapon before the one you acquired to kill Sir Michael O'Dwyer? I have before me a written statement by the man who sold you an illegal firearm twice.
मैं कह रहा हूँ it was a protest against you. You Britishers have plundered us, divided us, looted us, robbed us of all dignity, finished our economy.
That's enough.
Yes, that is enough. It is time for you to leave my country.
That is enough.
Will you stop this political ranting, my lordship? The weapon has been seized, and he has admitted to the crime.
मैंने जो किया
Do not
उसकी वजह है.
speak in this court unless you are asked.
But Your Lordship, he has every right to be heard.
Overruled. We are here to decide on the quantum of sentence based on the crime committed by this man. And under orders of the court, the press would not report on any statements made by the accused. Do you, members of the press, understand this?
Yes, Your Honor.
I have reached my verdict. The accused is found guilty as charged. The accused would be hanged till death.
Down with British imperialism! Down with British tyranny! Inqilab! Zindabad! Inqilab! Zindabad! Inqilab! Zindabad! Inqilab! Zindabad!